Up for sale is my 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7. It's got, as near as I can tell, it's got the original 289 with an upgraded 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, no air conditioning. It runs and drives, and it's ready for somebody to take it to the next level. Currently has an amateur paint job on it. It's got a few little rust spots, little bubbles, that kind of thing. It's a really good running car. Overall, it's in really good shape. The headlights go up, but they don't go down, so that'll need a little repair. Near as I can tell, no major accidents. Front end underneath and everything looks good. Mag wheels, making it look pretty cool. Doesn't have the vinyl hardtop or vinyl top. Somebody removed that a while ago. Like those chrome mud flaps. All the lights work as they should. I'm going to go through here and show you some of the minor body repairs that will need to be needed for the next paint job. Somebody filled that with silicone. These have been popping out. While I'm back here, I want to show you this old school fan slash heater. It's magnetic based. It sticks to the speaker and then it blows air across the back window. It's kind of a retro thing. I thought it was kind of cool. Time period piece, so I'm just keeping it there. Some bubbling right there. I believe this is the third paint job this car's had. It's originally green. Shame on me, I can't remember the color green. Just a decent driving car. Pretty straight. Cleaning the wheel wells. Straight bumper. That gold you're seeing, I think, was the second color that it was painted. But after doing some investigation on the car's coating, the original color was green. Little spot there. It's just a good, decent car. Look how straight this body is. Some bubbling right there. Some good tread. some bubble in there, and actually that's a little hole going through, so I need to repair. It does have a new gas tank. It has air shocks. That's what you're seeing there. Let's take a look on the inside. Black interior. Needs a new armrest there. Other than that, pretty decent. Again, it's an XR7. So you got that cool dashboard. And dash. This is that switch to that fan in the rear window I was talking about. It shows 83,622 or 627 miles. I believe those to be original just based on the shape of the car. I really do. But I don't know. All the light switches work. Dash is in pretty good shape. There's one tear right there. Old school cassette and speakers that work. Shifter, center console. You know, everything looks gently used, but nothing looks abused. Arms rest in the back quarters. And there's Mr. Old School Fan. The headliner could use some attention. Some tape on this seam there. I'm thinking that could be mended. The rest of this headliner is actually in really good shape. Show you the trunk. Everything's in pretty good shape there. Spare tire. Old set of speakers. The new gas tank, fuel tank. Blinker setup. Yeah. Look at the old fuel filter down in there. Pretty cool. Take a peek under the hood. Sorry about that. Hood, really good shape. Motor, front end. No signs of accidents. Plenty of signs of a poor paint job, which can be fixed. Let's see, there's the VIN there. It's an F9 8C6431072. That's a 7F in the beginning there. This runs really good. The front end underneath could probably use some new bushings. It does tend to wonder when you get a higher speed. It could be tightened up a bit. Turn it on. Start her up. Lamp. Courtesy's down there. It's blinking back at the door open. And the courtesy's back there. I got the door open, so can't really see that. Wipers. This little cool fan. Sounds like a beast. Probably idles a little low. Motor's just quiet. No knocking, no tapping. Seriously. There's smoke. It's got short pipes underneath there. Coming out nice and clean. Anyways, the car is located in Southern Oregon. She's ready for your consideration. You can find her on sale on eBay and our local Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace in the Grants Pass, Medford area. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. And there you go. Take care.